This Story-gami by LaFosse shows you how to fold the tabletop racing duck. If you blow on the backs of these ducks, they race across the table. For the tabletop racing duck, use a piece of origami paper that's white on one side and colored on the other. One fine sunny autumn day, I took a walk to White Diamond Lake, wondering what to do. In the distance, behind the lake, was a mountain ablaze with orange leaves of maple trees. The lake and the mountain were part of a park, and in this park was a person selling ice cream. I asked about my very favorite flavor, and they had it, so I bought a scoop of coconut ice cream in a tasty toasted cone. When my delicious ice cream was finished, I strolled along the shore, which seemed like a great place to assemble my kite. I launched it and ran along the open shore while I watched it sail back and forth gracefully in the gentle breeze. All of a sudden, a gust of wind dashed my beautiful kite to the ground, breaking it in half. Now, what could I do? The boat sailing along the lake gave me a great idea. Since my kite could not fly in the sky, why not make it float like a boat? As my new kite boat sailed along the shore, a family of ducks swam by and gave me another idea. I retrieved the kite boat and folded it once more, this time with a head, so that it looked like a duck. The next time your kite crashes and you are wondering what to do, remember the day we folded a coconut ice cream toasted cone kite boat duck. Can you figure out how to give your duck a pair of wings? It's easy. Just fold the sides up slightly. You can also modify the bill and make the duck look up or down. You could make a swan with a very long neck, and you don't need a lake to make your boat sail or your duck swim. You can have races by gliding them along a smooth tabletop. Just blow gently to make it glide slowly. Show your friends how to fold boats and ducks and use the table one at a time. One friend can be the timekeeper. How many seconds does it take to glide the length of the table? The tabletop racing duck.